Hi guys, Attila here with some exciting news. At long last, after waiting almost 2 years, we've been awarded the trademark for the company name we've always wanted. The new name is CYPAC. CYPAC is a combination of the words cyber and Pacific, and a new name means updated branding and website. We even launched a logo contest and had over 570 submissions. And the winner is this one! Thanks to the branding help from our friends at Sparkfire Studios. The new tagline of Deep Cybersecurity emphasizes our company's focus on cybersecurity and ongoing mission to protect Hawaii's local companies from global threats. And the new site, CYPAC.com, is now live, and I'm sure you'll agree it's a big improvement. With the new name, you'll still get the same great service you've come to expect from a local company, and since we own all the IP, there will be no service disruptions. Please accept our gratitude for your patience as we transition our systems, social media, and communication from Cylanda.com to CYPAC.com. I'm Attila from CYPAC. Stay safe out there.